iCarsoft CR Max P. We're going to go ahead and click on it, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to read the fault code. And it's telling us the right front tire pressure sensor malfunction and left front tire pressure malfunction. And I could tell you why that shows up, and the reason why is because I have two sets of wheels and I swapped them out for winter and summer, and when you do that sometimes it freaks out and it gives you a code. And what we could do is we could clear that just so we could start fresh. All right, so when we read the codes, there's no codes. We know why that code was there. Now we're gonna go back and we have a code for the electric power steering. We're gonna read that. So we're gonna read that code, and it's for the VCA system, and I think I know why this code is there. The reason why is because whenever my battery gets low, the NSX is notorious for popping up different codes, and I believe this is why this one was there. So we're gonna exit out of this, and then we're going to show you something else which is pretty cool. Okay, now the service portion is